Moment of truth.
Hey guys, welcome back to Strand Farm, where we grow independent together. In this video, you're going to see what ends up happening with Ron, so keep watching. So this little baby chicken ended up staying with us inside of the Airstream for 5 days or so, and lived by the wood stove comfortably. Moose was not a fan, and you can tell here that she doesn't really even want to be around the chicks. We have taken care of chickens for several years now, but we don't really speak chicken well, and as much as I love having a little cute chicken around, it really is best if we can try to get this baby chicken. We named it Ron, and so we want to get Ron back with Persephone if we can. As you can see here, I'm trying to teach Ron how to peck for food and look around on the ground and whatnot, and so we're doing the best we can. He's kind of getting the idea. You can see here he's looking around and trying to follow my hands. Such a sweet little chicken. During the time that we were caring for Ron, we still had to go on with our normal day-to-day life as much as possible. You know, having a baby chick off-grid is a little bit of a challenge in that we have to try to find a way to keep it warm. And Ron even left the farm for a few hours, and I think he was excited.
Look at all the animals are coming up to investigate.
Let's head back down to your mommy.
This is the reintroduction now, isn't it?
Yeah. And so we thought the best way to go about doing this would be to actually remove Persephone, the mom chicken, from the brooder in hopes of creating like some sort of an organized chaos. And while Persephone is out of the brooder, we can put Ron into the brooder with the other chicks.
All of that with hopes that when we put Persephone back into the brooding coop, she is just going to quickly gather every living creature in there underneath her to warm everyone up and accept Ron that way.
After taking the lid off of the brooder, James carefully climbs up to the top and is going to step in so that he can grab Persephone. And my apologies, guys, if you guys can hear the rain. It's raining while I'm trying to do these voiceovers. It's not actually raining as we're moving these chickens. I'm putting Ron in the brooder, and then James is going to hand me the mommy chicken, and I will hold on to her while James is going to rearrange the inside of the brooder just to freshen things up a little bit and also to make it more baby chick friendly, as well as make it more accessible to us. We wanted to put the waters and the feeders over by the door.
Listen to those babies chirp. They want mama back. What do you want me to do? Just stop?
Get little pipsqueak over with the eggs. No. Oh, what a little guy. They can do anything. Bloop, bloop.
The moment of truth. It's like, Ron, she's that way.
Ron!
I was telling Ron, I told Ashley to get out of the scene at this point because we felt that Ron had kind of imprinted on Ashley. So Ashley's stepping away from the brooding coop, and we're putting it back together and just going to leave them alone. After we get some film, of course. Ron is a little more developed than the rest of the babies at this point, so Ron has a little more independence. Ron has searched for food and found food. Don't hurt him.
Oh, she doesn't even seem to care that he's there.
At that point, we knew she would accept him.
Hey, Ron.
Ron is super happy to not be living in a shoebox at this point.
Yeah, really. Oh, look at little baby bear. That chicken never stopped chirping the whole time. It chirped the whole time. I think maybe the only time it didn't chirp was when Mom was laying on it. But even up from the camper, we could hear this little baby chirping all the time. It seemed like it could never get settled. We never saw it drink water. Did you?
No, it seemed like a preemie, and it seemed like it just wasn't able to catch on. No matter what Persephone did to help it out, it ended up not making it.
Watching and witnessing our chickens raise up and care for the chicks that they hatch on their own without us needing to assist is just amazing to watch. It's so beautiful. This is now our second year witnessing the wonder of chickens raising chickens. To see the mother hen show her chickens how to drink water, how to know what is food, and how to groom themselves is us literally witnessing the gift of new life. They communicate very clearly, and although we don't always understand, they seem to understand one another quite well. Look at that little chicken. That chicken's so cute.
Ron doesn't look like he's in duress at all.
He's definitely a little bit more isolated right here. She was showing him how to drink water. Did you see that? And then she made a noise.
This looks like a comfy area. This was encouraging too. Just with him going around. How do I get under, Mama?
He never learned that. We didn't have any way to teach him how to go underneath.
There's also ways to get back up.
Yeah. Oh. Good job. Now he's trying to get you to pick him up.
It's like, Papa,
help me.
let me under.
It is the next morning. Let's see how Ron did overnight.